afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for being here today. Let me introduce myself. I am Alejandra. As a teacher, I am thrilled to share with you the latest findings of my recent research on content and language integrated learning, also called CLIO. Today's topic is going to be of particular interest to those of you who are educators like me and are also seeking innovative approaches to language learning in the classroom. I will be discussing today an evaluation of 2 teaching guides used for teaching social science in a CLIO classroom. To make my presentation easy to follow, I have divided it in 3 main parts. The first one is related to the CLIO and its principles. Second one is related to the evaluation of the 2 teaching guides. And third one will be some suggestions I have provided to improve the designs of CLIO materials. So point 1. CLIO is an innovative and recent approach that emphasizes the integration between contents, subject, and language learning. It considers that language learning is easier done in a context situated and if it's used with the purpose of learning something else different from the language. In this sense, CLIO has language learning as well as content learning occurring at the same time in the classroom. Moving on to the second point, the evaluation of the teaching guides, they were found to not be quite aligned with the principles already established for CLIO. So, CLIO established 4 principles. First one, content, cognition, language, and culture. So, these teaching guides should integrate these 4 principles in their design. However, they did not integrate it, and they did not integrate also techniques used for learning foreign languages. They were mainly thought to be used to teach social science, and the foreign language was just used as a means of instruction. Basically, they were just translating from Spanish, the main language, to a second language. So they did not take into consideration the language level, the cognitive levels, and the age of the students. This caused desmotivation, low performance, and lack of interest in language learning on the students. Moving on to the third point, some suggestions to improve this design of these particular materials will be first to properly train teachers in the principle of CLIO, so they also have a clear understanding of what a CLIO classroom is and what it means to teach using CLIO. And second, they should also be provided with already established material used for evaluating and designing materials in CLIO. Finally, moving on to the conclusion, I would like to highlight the main issues discussed here. So first, we talk about what CLIO was. Second, we discuss what was the problems with the teaching materials used for teaching CLIO. And third, we talk about the main suggestions to improve the design on CLIO. Those are the need for established instruments and that teachers need to be trained in CLIO. Thank you so much for listening to me, and this will be all for this presentation.